High Court has given his consent for the divorce case of Karnal, Haryana and Punjab Haryana High Court, and we have Advocate Rajinder Goyal with us. Sir, the age of Subhash Chand, who is a petitioner for this divorce case, appellant, is 70 above. So, what were the grounds for the divorce, and what were the observations?
The marriage was solemnized in the year 1980. The couple was living separately since 2006 because of differences. There were children from this marriage. So, husband filed divorce petition at Karnal on the ground of cruelty. That was dismissed in the year 2013. So, the husband came in first appeal before this court, which was pending for the last 11 years. Now, with the intervention of respectables, relatives and well-wishers, parties entered into compromise, and a written compromise deed was filed in the court, and in which handsome amount has been given by the husband to the wife and children, which is to the tune of rupees 3 crore 7 lakhs. So the written compromise deed was filed in the court, and the court directed that party should go to the mediation and conciliation center of this High Court to get their statements recorded to authenticate the compromise deed that has been filed in the court. So the children, wife and husband all came here, got recorded their statement. That statement which has been recorded is reproduced in the order passed by the High Court while granting the divorce. So after receiving the amount of 3 crore 7 lakhs, now the children and wife, there are 3 children, so and wife, now it has also been settled between them that after receiving this handsome amount of 3 crore 7 lakhs, the wife or children will not have any right over the other property of husband, even if he dies. He has full right to give away. Otherwise, the children, on account of law, would have right over the property of the father after his death. But in this case, under the compromise, the children have given up their right of inheritance also.
So, but coming to this age at 70 years,
it was between the parties and the respectables who came to their aid and said that finalize it and die at least peacefully, if not live.
So they both will live separately?
They were living separately for the last more than 18 years. Yes.
So what were other observations of the court?
Other observations, there is no observation of the court. It is a compromise between the parties which has been accepted by the court, and decree of divorce has been granted.
And what's the occupation of the applicant?
The appellant is agriculture, primarily agriculturist. Agriculturist. That is there.
And what the lady do?
A lady, I think, is a housewife.
So this was Rajinder Goyal, who was a advocate for the Subhash Chand, who filed a petition here, was the applicant here for the divorce case, and from last 18 years he was fighting the battle at different court, at Karnal also and High Court also here in Chandigarh, and after 18 years he finally got divorced at the age of 70. So, and all these settlements been made, High Court has given its consent, and this case has just got settled here after coming to Punjab Haryana High Court. With video journalist Aman Gupta, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Chandigarh.